Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Habaya keren bikinong patay kubor, Menteri Sarkar Jela, Ubak Kyrmen Shela, Ulong, Balada ikam penroi kiwan na kebenta kebaha kemiat jong Paidbah on persya, nrela rakam ajing mentoy ki Paidbah on yang persya. Ulong kanu karai ben peniat cakmat akabon Wanrah penteri ka mekarel hais jante hills kaniat becakmat. Tang lada yok swai kejing mynjur ni ki Paidbah ketang. Ubak Kyrmen Shela ulong bak Sarkar kan cemiki senjam ki banihap kejing kwa jong Paidbah. La banong ba dangshen ke Sarkar Jela kala penpau kejing terang ban Wanrah ya karel ke ban peniaso bat ke East Jante Hills. Nrei kiseng bat ki kenhon kala prasya ajur kene kejing temu bat kala dawa badai ban penteri kam swai ke lain permit ban tek lakam ya kejing wanrung kertep di mender bat ki breu ke panabar.
For me, neither I'm against or for. If any development for our state, if that is for the benefits of our people, so I am for that. If that development will not serve the purpose or the requirement of our people, so I'm against for that. I believe that not only me, all the legislators are for that, because we are here for the public and we are here to serve for them. So I feel that to comment whether the railway is good or bad is too early, because why I say that, as of now we have not seen what is especially in Meghalaya, we have not experienced. So, but for this, what I feel, like has been mentioned to our friends whenever we get a chance to discuss, I said, don't judge too early, or don't judge without knowing anything. Because I remember one friend of mine, he's asking me, I'm opposed to this railway. I asked him, what is the reason? He said, no, I'm opposed to this because it's not good. I asked him, what is the reason? He don't have any reason. All I request, and I want my people, especially from East Jante Hills, whenever we are for any project, we have to know at least a basic knowledge about it and what is the benefit about it. If we are against also, the same thing need to be applied, that what is the the problem will come, and then what is our losses by having the train. If something is benefited the people, and then just for my personal I'll be against, that should not be happen. So I believe that this time any project, even the railway in East Jante, if it comes, I believe it will comes with the concern of the people of East Jante Hills, at the same time with the profit for the people of East Jante Hills and the state as a whole. So for this we will have as of now we have verbally discussed with a few friends, especially the stakeholders. So they are keen to, with the concern of the some representative, that we will have a meeting where we'll ask the concern of the people. If they are for the railway, then we'll ask the Chief Minister to implement it. If all the peoples are against it, then we have to go against that, because in the end the first direct benefits will be to the people of East Jante Hills, or the direct effect will be to the people of East Jante Hills. So the concern of people of East Jante Hills is very much important. For me, what I would like to mention here, for us, if we feel that through railway that influx will increase, so why not we just ask the government to implement only the goods carrier? Because goods carrier, I believe that nothing will happen with influx, nothing to do with influx. It will just help us, because the good carriers, it will reduce the cost of the materials, especially when we import something from outside the state. So that's why I said here, to judge whether it's good or bad is too early. We have to know what exactly, because good carriers and public carriers, we can choose. If we feel that we don't want public carrier, even the government concerns so about that. If we have train station, at least the good carriers. Public transportation thing, our people might not require it, but still, if it's there, they do require. But if they feel that not required, so still we can ask for goods carrier. That's one thing. if we have a goods carrier, this overloaded truck, I mean especially the big trucks, which we comply through this national highway. Because of them, we have seen that witness lots of accident happen and lots of this thing, road damage has been done. Unless if we have a train, then goods carrier will be done by the train, and then at public transport will be done by road. So the road condition also will be good, and public will have no traffic problems. That is what I feel my personal. But in the end, public's concern is very important.
Ha kabayday bat kajing plu jong kayeng hatana road uba Kyrmen Shela uba kemi katanat disaster management. Ulong bagi he officer jong katanat kile syong jingyalang bat menteri rang bah kejela hadian jong kajing plu hatana road. Ha kababarok katanat sorkar kilapan pau kajing sokya ba kajing don kam jong ki bat aka kabadai ban le nang ne syakmat. Uba Kyrmen Shela syamlah keran AA la ke sorkar kan le AA ne em ban ajing irap ikani kalong yeng keblamat ya kania kajingja. Bad ulong bahadu mentah ke sorkar kadang ab ban yo ekakai pot jing toket halor kani ke jingja.
So we had a cabinet meeting with the chief ministers. He conducted a cabinet. There we have take a few steps, decision that what needs to go ahead. So for this, the preparation has been prepared from all the department concerned, either from the PWD or either from disaster management or the fire station. They have shared their requirements, and then even what needs to be done for the state, that also has been proposed, directed by the chief minister on that meeting. So exactly now what is the status, I don't have it with me, but the work is going on and the preparation has been is going on as of now. As of now, we have not seen any notification came out based on that. So here, because when it comes to compensation, there is a norm to be followed. So based on that, if they are eligible for that, so of course they will have it. If not eligible, so they might not be able to have. So all compensation will be based on the norms to be followed.
What is the total the assessment on the damage?
As of now, I don't have the details yet with me regarding with this. So hopefully, because last time I remember they were asking for 10 days to do the assessment. In that cabinet meeting we had recently, so some grievances has been shared by the team, especially the fire team, what they have faced the problem, especially in Kandailat. So based on this, now the government are trying to find a way out. What is the possibilities, because removing the buildings is very difficult, and then what steps needs to be taken. So that's why we have this cabinet meeting last time, and then based on the proposal we will try to see what is feasible.